Starting with the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and almighty, and Lord of Lord, who is Rahman is Rahim. First of all, I would like to thank Almighty Allah and then my respectable teacher, who made me able to stand here in front of you. Today my speech topic about education. Education is very important. By education people become respectable. By education people become king of the world. Education is good life. Education is good power.